Hi, Lisi here with Fab Pull, the beautiful combination of aerial fabric and vertical pull. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install your Nexus wrap with sling system along with rigging your fabric. Plus, I'm going to talk to you about how to shorten your fabric and how to keep it all together so nothing gets lost. The Nexus wrap with sling system comes with instructions, the Nexus wrap, a sling, a ring, and a carabiner. The Nexus wrap can be used on any pole and can be put at any height on your pole. Just wrap the Nexus wrap tightly around your pole and fasten the Velcro strips. Now all you need to do is fold your sling in half and then take the sewn portion of your sling, squeezing it together so you're creating a U or a C shape. Place that sewn portion onto your pole, making sure it doesn't touch the Velcro strips. Thread the loops one through the other, pull out and then down to tighten. How to rig your fabric. Fold your fabric in half, thread your fabric through the center of the ring, giving yourself a little bit of space to fold that loop back over your ring. Pull your ring and your fabric in opposite directions to tighten. Grab your carabiner and attach it to your ring. Then attach your carabiner to the sling, tugging downwards on your fabric to tighten everything up. Now I'm going to share with you how I shorten the fabric. I like to start with the carabiner on my ring already, and then I'm going to thread my fabric through and pull it through so that I have the amount of fabric that I want to shorten it. So here I'm pulling it through about a foot, which is a total of 2 feet, so a foot on each of the tails. And then I'm going to thread that loop through the legs or the tails, up and over the ring again. And I like the carabiner because it helps me to hold on to it. I'm going to continue wrapping the extra fabric around the ring until it's nice and tight. And this trick's really simple. Just tie up the tails. Finally, how to keep it together. I take my Nexus wrap and I roll it up like I would a burrito or a cigar. I've never rolled a cigar. And then I attach the Velcro strips. Take your sling and slide it through the center of the rolled up Nexus wrap. Connect the 2 loops with your carabiner and your fabric already attached. Now everything is together. So if you've never daisy chained fabric, this is a quick demo of how to do it. You're going to create a loop, put your hand through the loop, and then tug the tail through to create another loop. You're going to repeat that sequence until you get to the end of your fabric, making sure that you don't pull the very end tail through the loop. Ta-da! Don't forget to check out our online tutorials, which you can access 24/7, or schedule a virtual lesson from my home studio to yours at fabpole.net. See you soon.